I love you. That's how much I'm with you. So what's the plan, Moto? I mean, we're getting rushed right now. They got guns, boss man. I don't think we should go this way. They got guns that way. They got guns to go through the house over there. I mean, look at your buddy. Yeah, I think we should not. I think we should not, boss man. I think we should not. I think we should just keep stepping. So what's the plan, King? I follow you for life. They're coming! They're coming! I'm about to die. I follow you for life. They're coming! They're coming! I'm about to die.